Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Begin by organizing ingredients and chilling the pastry. Use 117. 3 by 11-inch puff pastry sheet, fully thawed but cold, to prevent soggy layers. In a bowl, beat 8 Oz cream cheese with 1/4 cup sugar, 1 TSB vanilla, and 1 egg until smooth. Cover and refrigerate. Wash and hull 12 Oz strawberries, slice them about 1/4 inch thick. Then toss with 1 tablespoon lemon juice to macerate, while you roll pastry and preheat the oven to 375 degrees F. Roll the chilled puff pastry lightly on a floured surface and cut into 4 6 by 5-inch rectangles. Score a 1/2 inch border without cutting through to form raised edges. Spoon a thin, even layer of the cream cheese mixture into each center, leaving the border clear, then arrange sliced strawberries in a single layer so juices don't leak. Brush borders with an egg wash, transfer to a parchment-lined sheet, and bake at 375 degrees F for 20 to 25 minutes until the pastry is puffed and golden brown. When Danishes are out of the oven, cool them on a rack for about 10 minutes so the filling sets, but the pastry remains warm enough to absorb glaze slightly. Whisk 1 cup powdered sugar with 2 tablespoon milk and 1 TSB lemon juice until smooth. Drizzle or pipe the glaze over each Danish using a spoon or small bag for a neat finish. Serve warm or at room temperature, and store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 48 hours to preserve texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.